down here in Florida, you got something pretty cool over here. See that hole right there? That's a gopher tortoise hole. Gopher tortoise is a pretty impressive animal. What it does is it burrows into the ground. Its eggs are actually right in this little area right over here, not actually down the hole. So it burrows all that stuff in there, and the holes in there are great habitat for native snakes, animals, and they all coexist in there. So you got like a gopher tortoise, and you got like a rattlesnake, and you got like some other little mice and whatever, and they all just kind of live in there. They're all pretty chill. It's actually a pretty cool thing. And now there's a fire. The gopher tortoise just kind of hangs out, just kind of goes right in there, waits for the fire to blow over, and inside there he's essentially insulated. So if you've ever taken a tour of like a cave or something like that, you'll notice it's pretty temperate underneath the ground, and that's what happens. It essentially is so nice and cool underneath there, he doesn't get really affected by the fire. You can see it, you can smell it, you can feel it, but you know, he's a lot more protected in there than he would be out here. But yeah, pretty cool. This is Sabal Bluff Preserve over in Leesburg, Florida.